Hello, how are you?
I am good. How are you?
I'm doing great and welcome to Bangladesh.
Thank you. It's good to be here.
How are you feeling in our country, Bangladesh?
Yeah, I am feeling very well.
Really?
Yes.
Okay. And how long are you staying in my country?
I am going to be staying here for 3 years.
2 years?
3.
3 years.
3 years.
So you speak Bangla a little bit?
A little bit.
Can you say Kamunat and how are you? Okay. And he is your?
Father.
Father. Okay, he's a senior citizen and very gentleman. So sir, may I know what's your name please?
Tony.
Tony? How do you spell your name? T-O-R?
T-O-N-Y.
T-O-N-Y. Tony. Oh, I see. How do you spell your name?
T-R-E-V-O-R.
And how does it
Trevor.
explain? Trevor.
Trevor.
Okay. So you are a physician?
No, just a project manager.
Project manager? That's great. And you are doing shopping at this shopping mall?
Yes, we are.
You come here frequently?
Once. We've been here twice.
And how is the food in Bangladesh? You cook your food?
Some, but the others we go by. We enjoy the food very much.
Food are same for your father and for you? Same food?
Yes.
And who is the baby? Yours?
That is my
Sir, can you see there is a daughter? Hi, how are you? Do you speak English? You are shy? Okay. See, so you have bought many things from here. Okay. What's your best brand in the Bangladesh brand?
I don't know if I have a favorite brand yet.
No favorite brand?
I haven't been here long enough. Only been here
And
for
how
1
is the
year.
weather in Bangladesh? What do you think?
I like the weather right now. Very beautiful.
Very beautiful.
Yeah.
But the summer,
Summer.
I
almost
can't
too
tolerate
hot.
summer. Okay. And what is the normal temperature in USA where do you live? Where do you live?
Normal, I would live in Ohio, so the normal temperature would be 80 to 90 degrees.
How many kilometers it is from New York? Well, your idea at New York.
Oh, I'm not sure how many kilometers, but it would take us about 10 hours to drive.
Dear viewers, if you want to speak English, you want to improve your English skills. Dear viewers, আমি বলতে চাচ্ছি আপনি যদি ভালো করে ইংলিশে কথা বলতে চান, শপিং মলের মধ্যে যে কোনো জায়গাতে যখনই ফরেনার পাবেন চেষ্টা করবেন তার সাথে ইংলিশে কথা বলতে। I hope you don't understand my Bangla, okay? So I am telling my viewers if they want to improve their English skills, because it's our second language, they have to talk with a foreigner like you. Okay?
Okay.
See you. Take care. Allah Hafiz.